咁各位中五同學，咁呢度咧就另一段片係關於咧，如果我哋講緊個 rate of reaction 嗰個嘅 solid 嘅 reactant 嗰個嘅 surface area 如何影響緊佢嗰個嘅 rate of reaction 啦。所以呢個就 surface area of 一啲 solid 嘅 reactant。咁我哋睇一睇啦，就係我哋有啲 limestone 就係 calcium carbonate 啦，或者叫marble 或者叫 chalk。咁我哋同嗰個嘅氦醋 chloride 起反應，產生 calcium chloride 啦、二氧化碳同埋水。咁我哋咧就將eco masses， 因為我哋想量度嗰個surface area 嘅影響啊嘛，咁所以佢個 mass 咧要係一樣嘅。咁但係嗰個 limestone 咧可以一嚿嚿啦 lumps 或者咧係一個粉狀嘅 powder， 呢個就唔同啦。lumps 或者 powder 嘅 limestone 咧就 add separately， 咁咧就 to 相同 volume 相同濃度嘅氦醋 chloride 嗰度去參與反應。OK， 咁而咧由於温度都會影響緊嗰個嘅rate of reaction 嘅，所以要 at the same temperature， 咁呢就要勒到好緊啦。咁所以咧就係一嚿嚿嘅 lumps of limestone 同埋 powder 嘅 limestone 咧，就分別加落去啲酸嗰度，咁個酸就要 same volume、same molarity。OK， 咁跟住就喺同一個温度進行。咁睇一睇咧嗰個嘅二氧化碳會走啦，due to 個 escape of CO2， 咁越嚟越會輕嘅嗰個reaction mixture， 因為 CO2 會走。OK， 咁所以咧我哋就想量度翻咧嗰個嘅 decrease in mass 啦，隨住時間佢跌咗幾多啦。咁所以呢個變相咧，雖然佢就話 decrease in mass 啦，即係輕咗幾多啦，咁但係其實都可以睇成咧係嗰個mass of carbon dioxide produce， 因為佢輕咗幾多，即係話有幾多 carbon dioxide produce in 個 gram 咁樣咯。OK， 咁所以呢個咧就係一個 typical 嘅 product 時間圖啦 ，product 嘅 amount 隨住時間嘅變化。OK， 咁我哋咧就會有個 powder 同埋 lumps of 嗰個嘅 limestone。OK， 咁由於我哋講過嗰個calcium carbonate 佢係 equal mass 啦，咁呢個講過啦。咁跟住個酸咧，佢亦都係相同 volume 相同濃度，所以 equal amount 啦。所以最終出到幾多 product 咧係一樣咁多嘅。最尾出到幾多 CO2 咧係同一個高度嘅。咁所以咧嗰個 end of reaction 出到幾多 carbon dioxide 咧係一樣咁多嘅，只不過係powder 嘅話咧係一個快啲嘅rate of reaction， 所以一個短啲嘅時間就能夠完成到個反應，或者講成咧佢嗰個tangent 個 slope of tangent 咧係會係即係大啲啦。咁你例如你 time 等於 zero 嘅時候咧，個 slope of tangent 見嗰個 powder 咧就係咁樣嘅狀態啦。咁如果係lumps of limestone 嘅話咧就會係咁樣啦。咁所以有啲唔同嘅，咁藍色嗰條線就斜啲啦。OK， 咁所以咧我哋就要知道個 initial rate 係點計嘅咧，就係話 time 等於0嘅時候畫條 tangent 計佢嘅 slope 啦。OK， 咁呢個就 initial rate。咁 average rate 點計啊？嗱 average rate 咧就係話佢所需嘅時間。咁如果 powder 嘅話咧，所需嘅時間就係咁多啦。OK， 因為佢到呢個位開始打後咧就係平線嚟嘅。咁如果佢係lumps 嘅話咧，就到呢個位咧。就係嗰個 end of reaction 啦，咁跟住呢度後邊咧就係平線啦。咁所以 end of reaction 咧就係話睇下幾時係再冇多咗二氧化碳出嚟，條線去咗平咧就係咁啦。所以呢啲就我嚟計 average rate。咁如果 average rate for 嗰個嘅 lumps of limestone 嘅話咧，就能夠產生到幾多嗰個嘅 gram 啦，除翻佢所需嘅時間 minute。咁就會計到咧嗰個lumps of limestone 咧嗰個嘅 average rate。咁 average rate 最難計嘅咧就係個時間，要用幾耐時間係關於個 average rate 咧，就係話去到幾耐個時間個反應係開始會停啦，停嗰個位咧嗰個時間咧就係嗰個所需嘅 average rate 嗰個時間。咁 initial rate 又唔使咁煩 initial rate 只係畫條 tangent 跟住就判斷翻個 tangent 嘅 slope 咁樣咯。咁所以咧無論係initial rate 或者 average rate 咧喺嗰個嘅powder 嗰個狀態咧都會快啲嘅。第一個 point 講。咁跟住由於佢快啲啦，所以 powder 嗰個咧就會快啲完成，咁啊 stop earlier、finish earlier。咁但係出到嚟最幾多二氧化碳咧，就兩個情況係一樣嘅，因為佢哋嗰啲 amount 咧包括係limestone 嘅質量啦、個酸嘅濃度同埋個 volume 咧，全部都一樣嘅，所以 total decrease in mass in both cases 咧係一樣嘅。咁增加嗰個 contact surface area of 個 solid reactant 咧，就會增加個 reaction rate 啦。咁要注意呢樣嘢啦，增加嗰個reaction rate。咁點解咧？呢個就解釋咗啦。因為咧，如果我哋有一個 reaction， 入邊涉及到其中一隻係 solid 嘅，咁就 consider the reaction between two reactants， 其中 one of 嗰個 reactants 咧就係 solid， 另一隻就係一啲即係 liquid 啦，好恒常㗎啦。 OK，咁嗰個solid 嗰啲 reactant 點樣先起到反應咧？就係話 only the particle on the surface of 個 solid reactant 咧就接觸到 come into direct contact with particle of liquid reactant， 即係話係要個固體嗰個表面嗰啲 surface 先能夠接觸到個液體嘅，入邊嗰啲咧就係包住咗嘅。OK，咁如果我哋由 lumps 變咗做powder 嘅話咧，就即係話做呢樣嘢啦 ，breaking the solid into smaller pieces greatly increases 嗰個 surface area。咁你整斷咗佢，整細粒咗佢嘅話，即係我哋食嘢嘅話咬碎咗佢咧，就會變得碎咗啦。咁佢嗰個表面積就會大咗啦。This increase 嗰個嘅collision 個 charge collision 同埋嗰個嘅 number of erratic collision in unit volume per unit time 咧就會有所上升啦。咁其實 result 咧嗰個 reaction rate 就會快咗啦。OK，咁下邊個圖咧就話俾你聽咧，如果我哋嗰個solid 咧係一個 lumps 係一個大嚿嘅。咁佢咧個接觸面咧就會細啲啦。咁但係如果 break down 咗佢嘅話咧，個接觸面就會大啲啦，因為佢係一個powder 嘅狀態，細粒啲嘅嗰啲 particle。OK， 咁所以你要留意翻 size of particle 嗰個 point 啦。size of particle 咧就係話大粒啲同細粒啲真係唔同嘅。我哋講緊 size of particle， 如果大粒啲嘅話咧，我哋係講緊佢個 surface area 係細啲嘅。因為如果我哋令到佢粉狀嘅話咧，嗰個 size of particle 咧係當然係即係叫做細啲，咁佢就係 powder 啦。所以你要知道嗰個考試嘅時候咧，個英文係點樣即係理解啦。OK， 咁呢有條題目啦，咁我就將個 1.5 gram 嘅粉狀嘅 calcium carbonate 加落去50 cm cube 1.25 molar 嘅 hydrochloric acid， 咁佢講到明咧呢個係 excess 嘅，咁你都可以計到嘅喎。OK， 你可以計到喎。咁點計咧？即係阿 Sir 教你計啦。即係譬如 number of mole of calcium carbonate， 咁你就 1.5 gram 啊嘛，1.5 gram， 咁你咪除翻咯，除翻幾多啊 ？calcium 就係 40.1， carbon 就係12.0，跟住 oxygen 就 16.0 乘3，所以你將嗰個 1.5 咧，嘅除翻 40.1 加12再加48，咁所以佢有幾多 mole 咧？就大約咧係0.01499咁多 mole 啦。咁跟住啦，嗰個 number of mole of HCl 係幾多咧？就 molarity 乘 volume 1.25 就 molarity 乘翻1000分之50。1.25 乘翻1000分之50就係0.0625咁多 mole 啦。嗱，點解 hydrochloric acid 係過量咧？並不是因為0.0625大過0.01499，唔係因為咁樣直接大過就係啦。咁我哋要識得答咧，就係話嗰個 chemical equation 咧就係一粒嘅 calcium carbonate 係加2粒嘅 HCl 變做 calcium chloride。好意思啊，真係calcium chloride 水同埋二氧化碳。咁所以咧，佢個 mole ratio 咧就係 calcium carbonate 對嗰個 HCl 咧就1對2嘅。咁所以如果我用晒0.01499咁多 mole 嘅 calcium carbonate， 咁所以咧就0.01499咁多 mole 嘅 calcium carbonate。係 require 乘翻2嘅0.01499乘翻2咁多 mole 嘅hydrochloric acid， 即係需要咧0.02998咁多 mole 嘅 HCl。嗱，而家我哋有0.06啊嘛，所以係大過0.02998嘅，所以佢就係過量啦。OK， 咁呢啲就係即係教大家點樣去判斷佢過量缺乏啦。記住唔係淨係睇大細喎個 mole，仲要睇埋嗰個 equation 嘅 mole ratio 嘅。跟住 A part 啦，寫翻嗰個式啦 ，calcium carbonate 同埋嗰個 hydrochloric acid 嗰個嘅 ionic equation， 咁用 H 正去代表啦。calcium carbonate 唔用水嘅，所以冇得拆，咁就寫到啦。咁跟住啦，from the graph 啦 ，find the actual volume。實際上 actual volume 有幾多咧？咁睇下個圖咯。個圖咧就唔係咁清楚嘅，所以大家睇唔到嘅。你個圖睇翻個平線，跟住咧打翻過去，咁大約咧佢就話275，咁咪275咯，即係。係個 model answer， 即係你喺考 DSE 嘅時候咧，個圖就會好清楚㗎啦。咁佢就話理論上咧應該出到咧360 cm cube 嘅，咁啊叫你比較翻，實際上出到275啦，同埋理論360，咁邊個大啲咧？咁 actual 係應該細啲，理論應該係大啲嘅，咁所以答到呢樣嘢啦。咁個原因係咩咧？咁就係幾個原因啦，就係嗰個 carbon dioxide 出咗嚟，佢有機會溶喺個水入邊嘅，因為 carbon dioxide 會溶喺水入邊咧，產生嗰個carbonic acid 或者佢係 slightly soluble in water 嘅。 咁所以咧，我哋嗰個 carbon dioxide 咧有機會 dissolve 喺水入邊啦，就出唔到嚟啦。另一樣嘢咧就係話，本身個 calcium carbonate 雖然我話佢1.5 gram 啫，但佢有機會係唔係100% 咁純嘅，佢有其他 impurity 都會引致到咧出得少咗個 carbon dioxide 嘅。咁最後啦，除咗咧我哋可以用呢個方法去量度佢嗰個嘅 rate of reaction 啦，即係個 volume of CO2 gas produce， 仲有啲咩方法咧？可能係 increase in 個 pressure 啦，因為有 CO2 出嚟作為嗰個 only 嘅 gaseous product， 又或者佢輕咗幾多 loss in mass， 因為 carbon dioxide 會 escape from 個 reaction mixture。咁呢啲咧都係一啲即係可行嘅方法嚟嘅。咁呢段片關於嗰個嘅 surface area of solid